Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings, where we embark on a journey of creativity through easy drawing sceneries. Today we will create a tranquil landscape using simple lines and shapes. Grab your favorite sketching tools and let's dive in. Let's draw a simple scenery together using just pencil and a paper. Begin by drawing a line for the horizon, then add trees, mountains, and the sun or moon with light lines. Fill in the details gently, adding texture to trees and depth to the landscape. Use soft stroke for the sky. Remember, it's okay to keep it simple and have fun. Experiment with line thickness to give your drawing depth. Feel free to add details like bird in the sky or a peaceful stream flowing through the landscape. Start by sketching gentle hills with smooth lines. Add a few trees using upward stroke, creating a serene forest. Now draw a warm, inviting sun in the sky, radiating positivity. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and enjoyable. So let your imagination guide your hand as we create a beautiful scenery together. If you are ready, let's bring this peaceful scene to life on paper. Happy drawing, and don't forget to share your creation with us in the comments. Subscribe for more artistic adventure on Artistic Adventure. Until next time, happy sketching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe so it will be recommended to many people. Thank you so much for watching. All products in the videos are listed below. Check that out. Thank you.